we have the new MODZ MAX charger. In 48 volt or 36, it puts out a steady 15 amp to charge your golf cart at a nice steady rate. It comes in at 6.6 pounds, and in comparison to an OEM charger, this is not the largest one, and this one weighs 28 pounds. Do we want to be lifting 28 pounds every day? No, we don't. We want to lift 6.6 pounds. This charger comes with what we refer to as the plug-in and forget technology. Plug it into your golf cart, leave it alone. It will steadily charge your batteries at a steady 15 amps till they're fully charged, and then it will cut off. Once it's cut off, it will maintain your batteries. If for some reason your battery voltage drops, it will automatically cut back on and keep your batteries charged. It comes available in many different handles, from Club Car, E-Z-GO, or Yamaha. Whatever handle you need, we've got it. This charger also comes with an easy to read display on the side and an easy to read instructions to tell you exactly what that display means, whether your batteries are less than 80%, a little bit over 80%, or at 100% charge. These chargers also come with an 18-month warranty, about the best you can get. It's made of high-quality aluminum casting, comes with a carry handle so you can tote it anywhere, or mounting holes to where you can actually mount this on your wall, under your desk, or under your seat of your golf cart. We designed this charger to be an easy on-the-go charging solution with the smallest footprint possible. That way we can take it anywhere we need to go. And that is the MODZ MAX charger.